Restore the bond. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, restore the bond. This phrase is not just about words. It's about relationships, connections, and emotions. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Restore the bond refers to the process of repairing or rebuilding a relationship or connection that has been damaged or weakened. This phrase implies a return to a previous state of closeness or trust between individuals or groups. It's often used in contexts where relationships have gone through challenges or misunderstandings. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal relationships. Imagine two friends who had a misunderstanding. One says, "We need to restore the bond we once had." Here, they express a desire to repair their friendship. 2. Business contexts. In a company, after a period of internal conflicts, a leader might say, "It's time to restore the bond among our team members, focusing on rebuilding trust and cooperation." 3. International relations. When two countries resolve their differences and seek to improve their relationship, a statement like, "This treaty will help restore the bond between our nations," might be used. Restoring a bond is crucial for several reasons. Emotional health. Healthy relationships are key to emotional well-being. Social harmony. In communities and societies, restoring bonds leads to peace and harmony. Professional success. In workplaces, strong bonds encourage teamwork and productivity. Restoring a bond involves several steps. 1. Acknowledgement. Recognizing that the bond has weakened. 2. Communication. Openly discussing issues and misunderstandings. 3. Effort. Both parties must be willing to put in the effort to rebuild the relationship. 4. Forgiveness. Letting go of past grievances is often necessary to move forward. That's all about restore the bond. Remember, this phrase is all about rebuilding and healing relationships. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English language learning content.